I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of a LED grow light. The company GrowStar contacted me and wanted me to test one of their products, which is a 600 watt grow light. That must be the other name that they go under. It's quite heavy actually, but not too heavy. Here's the product information. So it comes with all these. I'm guessing these all just clip on there. And then you can use that to tie it to wherever you need to tie it to, the ceiling, to raise it or lower it. So it's handy that this has come with all these. This is the plug. So the package includes the grow light, hanging kits, power cord and the user manual. Whoa. Wow. That is bright. I can feel heat already. So different coloured lights underneath. So that's my unboxing of the Cokolila 600 watt LED grow light. If you like, you can please go over and check out their Instagram page, and they also have a YouTube channel. I'll leave the links in the description box for them. So please look out for a future video of the setup of this. I just need to find somewhere in the house. I was thinking about the greenhouse, but I didn't know, and plus the greenhouse is blown away now with that storm, so that's not an option. So I'm going to try and do a little home setup somewhere. I don't know what to get. I don't know. I'm not sure what to get or to buy, but I would like a little home setup. Just get a head start for spring for all my little seedlings for the allotment and garden. Or I could even do stuff over winter, like salads for the house. I don't know. But I'm really looking forward to using this. So thank you very much to GrowStar for sending this to me to test, and I can't wait to test it out. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment if you've got any questions, and go and follow the company GrowStarLED on Instagram and their YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye! I'm even recording. Can you even see me? I think so. So that's my unboxing of the Cokolila might be a few different names for that.